Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to hold the crochet hook and yarn. This is one of the first skills you need to master for successful crocheting. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. There are two common ways to hold your hook: the pencil grip and the knife grip. Try both to see which one feels more comfortable for you. I prefer the knife grip. Now let's learn how to hold the yarn. Proper yarn tension is key to even stitches. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger, under your ring and middle fingers, and over your index finger. Now let's put it all together. Hold your hook in your dominant hand and your yarn in your other hand. It might feel awkward at first, but with patience and holding your hook and yarn will become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.